quick tip on MIG welders. If you're running into a problem where you're getting the bird nest, where you get your electrode going, stops the wire, and it burns it up right here really easily, or it jams it through because the wire feed is so strong it just wraps it up. Here's a little tip. Pull your tip off like this and just let the wire come out like this. If you look at the drive roll, what you want to do is hold the wire back by hand, and then let it override the wire over here and let that roller spin. Don't let it override it. So watch, I'm gonna hold my foot here and stop the wire, and then you're gonna see the drive roll spinning on the wire instead of rat nesting it or bird nesting it. See that? See how it's spinning and it's burning? I mean, it's not burning it, it's spinning. So it's not advancing. Now, if I were to just clamp that down and make the drive harder, as soon as it ran into any interference, it would rat nest or bird nest on you. This will let it spin. Or if you don't have a good ground, or whatever reason, the wire stops, doesn't want to advance like that. When it stops, you will not have that problem. Anyway, save you a lot of time. I know it has for me. See you in the next video. Hopefully you find it useful.